This is how you smash a burger. Welcome back to the channel. What are we doing tonight? Some late night smash burgers. We got some 85-15 ground beef in the bowl. We're gonna add some it's by Kinder's, it's cowboy butter, and their prime black garlic and truffle steak seasoning. I love it on the burgers. It's really good. We're gonna get some of this seasoning in, mix it up, and then we'll throw them on the. We're gonna be throwing them on the flat top, and we'll throw a little more seasoning on them once they're smashed out a little bit. But this is just to get it all mixed in the meat. Now let's get in there with our hands and give it a good mix. You want to make sure you mix it up real good. Get those seasonings dispersed evenly throughout your mixture. Alright. So, making smash burgers, you want to take I like to take a generous portion like this. You want to just ball it up, roll it up, get it into a good tight ball, because that's what's going to go on the flat top when it's hot. And you're going to sear it, then we're going to flip it, and then we're going to smash it. You'll see. I'll show you here in just a few minutes. Once again, we're just pinching them up, rolling them into a good ball. You want to make sure you just get them compact as you can, like so. We're just putting them in a pan until we get them ready to go on the grill. Got this, the last one that we're gonna ball up for the smash burgers. We'll get it in the pan. We're gonna get the griddle fired up. We'll bring you back when we're about to put them on. We're ready to get these smash burgers on the griddle. Gonna take some olive oil and go down across the griddle just to get it oiled up on a good bit. We're gonna cook some bacon and some onions for the smash burgers first. So we're gonna do that, then we'll come back with the smash burgers here in just a few. We're gonna take the spatula, spread the olive oil out pretty good. You wanna coat your top pretty good. That way, you know, no sticking and everything's lubricated like it should be. So what I want to throw down first is going to be the bacon. We have some bacon that's been already halved, just some we had in the refrigerator, wanted to get rid of. So take it, lay it down. Listen to that sizzle. That's the sound of happiness right there. A little bacon sizzling. Alright, we got the bacon down. We're gonna let it cook and crisp up. Let it cook on this side for a couple minutes. And then we'll flip them. Then we're gonna take, after we move the bacon over to the cooler side, once it gets pretty much done, gonna take the onion, cook them in the bacon grease. And then we'll start dropping burgers after that. We're gonna give this bacon a flip, let the other side start sizzling as well. Oh, it's looking good. It doesn't really take long with bacon on a flat top griddle like these. Blackstone, I love it. I love really any kind of outdoor cooking. Really, here recently, I've got into a lot of live fire cooking. I've been smoking and grilling for the last, I know, 20 years at least, and just experiment with different stuff. But I really recently got into the live fire stuff, and I'm liking it a lot. It's just gets me outside. I like being outside, even on days like today where it's cold and windy. Been battling that. But, you know, you get outside, you move around, you'll stay warm. We build fires. We got a couple fire pits that we build fires in. We stay warm. Got the bacon flip, it's looking good. A couple more minutes on this side. We'll move it over here to the cool zone. It's still gonna be warm. Let that bacon just finish off over there, and we'll get the onions in, let those saute on the griddle. All right, we got the bacon crisping up pretty good. So we're gonna take and move it over to the cool side, let it finish off over there. It's getting really good looking. Like I said, we're just gonna move them over, let them crisp up. Because we got some here that really like their bacon crispy. I'm one of them. One of the ones behind the camera right now is one of them. She put in a request for extra crispy bacon. So we honor the request around here. And we'll bring you right back here in just a moment when I get ready to put the onions on. We're gonna put just a little more olive oil down for the onions, to get them started. Spread that out. The griddle is nice and hot right now. So get the onions on. Just want to break them up a little bit. Oh, you can already smell them. It smells so good. We're gonna go back on the onions with a little bit of the Kinder's cowboy butter. Season those up. Got the onions now, got them seasoned up. Make sure, toss them around. You just pretty much saute them, but on the griddle, you want to let them go over here on the hot side till they start getting a little translucent and tenderizing up a little bit. As you can see, they're getting there because this has got some heat to it. So we want to keep the heat as high as it is now for when we throw those smash burgers on here shortly. When you get the grill marks and the seasoning cooked into them. Show you a little trick I like to use. We bring out the dome. We're just taking dome. Let me grab my spritz bottle. When you put the dome on, you just give it a little spritz of water under it. It's going to steam them. It's going to make them cook a lot quicker. We'll just let that dome stay on for a minute. Are you ready to smash? I am. These burgers, that is. We got our patties. You hear that sizzle? We're gonna get them on, sear a side, and then we're gonna flip them, sear the other side, and we're gonna smash them. There we have it. We're gonna have to let them sear. We'll flip them, then we're gonna do a little smashing action. We've seared them on one side. I'm just gonna take and turn them over. I got heat protective gloves underneath my food service gloves. Once we get them all flipped over, we're gonna go in and smash them. Got a nice sear going on. We're gonna let them come in and get a look at this sear. We got them over. One side seared, the other side starting to sear. We're gonna go in with our smasher. Just gonna smash them. And if you have a little issue like that, This is live. It's gonna happen. All right, come in and get a close look. We're gonna pull the bacon up. It's good and crispy. Take and drain off some of the oil. We got paper towel lines in the plate just to catch the rest. As you can see, that bacon is like all bacon. It's delicious. It smells good out here. We got them smashed and they've been cooking a little bit. We're gonna flip them over. Let this other side get done. We got about 2 more minutes. We got smashed burgers. Look at the crust on these babies. Finished off here in just a minute. I'm gonna kill this whole half of the grill is gonna be just a warm zone. We'll move them over to the warm zone, and then we're gonna take and butter some brioche buns straight from the bakery, toast them off on the grill, then we're gonna build the burger. It's gonna be bacon, cheese, onions, and whatever condiments you want on your burger. We're gonna get the onions off, just drain a little bit of that off too. Let them cook in that bacon grease. We're gonna pan them up and have those ready to go on burgers in just a little bit. Got the smash burgers over here. They're finished, just keeping them warm. Gonna take some butter, put down on the griddle area. Then we're gonna toast off these buns. So we're gonna get some butter down. Spread it around. You wanna let it pool up, whatever you can. Just wanna be able to take your buns, put off in it. It won't take but just a couple minutes to get these things toasty. Buns are good and toasted. We're gonna pull them off. We got some of these that want cheese and some that don't, so we're gonna do 6 of them with cheese, and 5 of them are gonna hang out and just be smashed burgers. These are gonna be smashed cheese burgers. We're gonna let them rock out right there. We're gonna take and I can dome each one of them, and it should melt pretty quickly. It won't take just a few seconds. You'll see, as you see over here, these are already starting to melt. This just quickens it up a little bit. We'll do it around every one of them just to help them get started. This is that ooey gooey goodness down here. Request for a double-decker smash burger, so let's get it going. Double it up, 2 patties, 2 slices of cheese, going on to toasted brioche bun. We're gonna bring it in, add some bacon on top of it. some of those onions, caramelized onions on there. And there you have it. This is how you smash a burger. We're gonna have some homemade onion rings. First off, our wet batter consists of buttermilk. We're using some of the honey chipotle Heath Riles barbecue rub, some of the AP seasoning. We put some of the AP seasoning in with our flour. It's all-purpose flour and panko breadcrumb mix there for the dry part. I've got one onion slice for you. We're gonna go in, we're gonna whisk these ingredients together, and then we're gonna use that to drench our onion rings in, and then they'll be dredged in the flour. Then they'll go into a pan, and you know, as we get them all ready, then they'll go in the fryer. So we'll be back when we're ready to get them drenched and dredged and in the pan. Get our onion rings. You want to take them, you know, loosen your rings up so they're not all in clumps. Put them in your wet batter. Get them all in there, you know. Little ones, oh well. On these, you get them in there. If a couple stick together, you'll break them loose when you start moving them around to get them covered in the wet batter. So we'll get some of these in there, get them tossed around in the buttermilk and seasoning mixture. As you see them, they get coated. Just get them good and coated. Then you want to take them, move them over into your dry batter or dry ingredients, batter, whatever you want to call it, really. Just shake them off, put them in there, and then you just want to cover them in your batter. Toss them just to get them dredged. And as you have them out, we're gonna lay them in a pan until we get them ready to go in the oil. Now I'm gonna do the rest of these off camera, and we'll bring you back when we're ready to fry. All right, we got our onion rings. They've been through the wet batter and our dry ingredients. They're dredged, they're broken up, they're ready to go in. Got our oil heated up, got our pan down in. We're just gonna start taking and putting some in. These shouldn't take too long when you get them going. We got a few batches probably we're gonna be doing here. So that's gonna be our first batch in. And we will get back with you in just a few. All right, we got the first batch of onion rings coming up. I'm gonna let them drip for a second. I'll let you get in there and get a good picture of them. All right, let them drain off, and we're gonna put them in our pan. We have over there waiting. Get our basket back down in our oil. Get another batch ready to go in. And as we'll get these done, we'll bring you back when we have a whole pan of onion rings. Pulling up the last batch of the fresh cut homemade onion rings. About to put them in our pan with take and show you these things. Look how beautiful these have turned out. We're gonna add this last batch in, and those will be ready to go with our smash burgers. All right, there's the plate. Let's finish it off with some of this homemade ranch. And for the recipe, check out our wing video that we'll be posting later. There you have it. Let's eat.